Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get Knuckles Glide. To unlock Knuckles' signature glide ability, you will need to focus on a particular version of the character, DJ Knuckles. This special skin holds the key to soaring through the air. Understanding the game's character mastery system is crucial, as it dictates how you'll unlock this fantastic new movement. Get ready to transform your gameplay and explore the world in exciting new ways with this powerful ability. The next step is to level up your DJ Knuckles character. You must reach Character Mastery Level 3 with the DJ Knuckles skin. To do this, head over to the Character Mastery Station within the game. Here, you can invest your collected rings and experience points to advance his level. Focus on completing quests and races to gather enough resources quickly. Achieving Level 3 will grant you access to his unique glide, opening up new possibilities for exploration. Once you have successfully leveled up DJ Knuckles to Mastery Level 3, performing the glide is straightforward. First, ensure you have the DJ Knuckles skin equipped from your character selection menu. Then, when you are in the air, simply press and hold the homing attack button. This action will activate his glide, allowing you to cover significant distances and reach previously inaccessible areas. Master this technique to navigate the game's environments with greater freedom. Having Knuckles' glide ability offers several distinct advantages. You can now access elevated platforms and secret pathways, opening up new sections of the map. This enhanced mobility will also help you shave precious seconds off your race times and make exploring the vast worlds much more efficient. Dedicate some time to practicing your gliding technique to gain precise control over your aerial movements. Soon, you will be effortlessly soaring across the landscape like a true master.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.